Morning, Lavi ko. Happy Tuesday. Uh, I'm ready na. I'm just waiting for Jeremy, but maaga kami, 7 o'clock. Kailangan nasa baba na. Bali, breakfast lang, and then short meeting, and then we go to the site na. You're ready na as you message me. Good luck, and I pray that you get a job and make a career out of it. Do good, and I pray na during your time na nandun, hindi ka atakihin, hindi ka magkasakit, and always be safe. Love you. You know that. Okay. Be safe. See you soon. Bye for now.